Hello and welcome everyone. This is IMTEX 2023 and we are at the stall of CAMBRIO and we are having with us Mr. Gaurav, who can give us more insight about what are they having to demonstrate at the show. As far as I know, CAMBRIO is the company providing solutions in the field of software to the Indian manufacturing. So let's hear from Mr. Gaurav the technical part of all their products. So just elaborate on the technical parts of
Thanks for my introduction. Well, CAMBRIO takes care of 3 domains. That's Cimatron, GibbsCAM and SigmaNEST. Cimatron is basically for all the 3D die and mold parts, your progressive tool parts, tool designing, and Cimatron also have inbuilt CAD and CAM facilities.
Okay.
And similarly, GibbsCAM is taking care for the production for CNC parts, CAM part for the production part,
Okay.
and SigmaNEST takes care of all the sheet metals like your plasma, laser cutting machine, water jet, and other machines. So in SigmaNEST we can do all the nesting part and planning. And
Amazing.
the complete CAMBRIO comes under Sandvik DPA. So like in Cimatron we have complete setup for die and mold. Like we can make a progressive die, you can make tooling, and you can even design on the software. Actually, software comes without designing and CAM is different. So
Okay.
in Cimatron we get the advantage that a person gets both the solutions, designing and CAM part also.
Okay.
And it is used for basically for die and mold. Okay. And for creating production like lathe, milling, turning, we have GibbsCAM.
Okay.
So GibbsCAM is a different domain, Cimatron is different.
Alright.
And all the 3 domains, SigmaNEST, Cimatron, GibbsCAM comes under CAMBRIO.
That's amazing, sir. So talking about this participation at IMTEX, and IMTEX being one of the largest show for the machine tool industries, what do you have to tell about this participation and how it's helping you?
Yeah, it's very fantastic. The crowd is good, the response is good. We met many existing customers also, and people from the world travel in IMTEX. That's the best part of the show.
Correct. And what are your expectations out of it?
And fantastic for business only.
Correct. So we wish you all the very best for your upcoming business and shows. Thank you so much for giving us the time.